Welcome to know about Clickfunnels trainings. Clickfunnels training, what course should you take? Clickfunnels is a great online marketing tool that helps you to automate most of your funnel building tasks, but sometimes you need a good training program to steer you in the right direction. Even with the comprehensive tutorials and step-by-step guides, most users find it quite challenging to understand and utilize all the features of Clickfunnels. What if there was a better way to understand what Clickfunnels has to offer you as a marketer, entrepreneur, business, etc.? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to discuss in this guide today. Click the link below this video for more updates. Contents about Clickfunnels training. Where can you get the best Clickfunnels training? What is the One Funnel Away Challenge? Clickfunnels affiliate training. How can you make Clickfunnels work for you? You must have a product to sell. Storytelling, traffic generation. Clickfunnels training roundup about Clickfunnels training. Clickfunnels is a marketing tool created by Russell Brunson and his team of professional marketers back in 2014. Since its inception, Clickfunnels has grown into $100 million company and currently serves its features to 65,000 active users worldwide. At its core, Clickfunnels is an application that helps you build sales funnels without writing a single line of code. Additionally, it comes with various other features that help you create landing pages, squeeze pages, thank you pages, full-fledged membership websites, create and host webinars, etc. If you can find any new marketing page while scrolling through Google, you can create with this tool. Apart from just page creation, some of the integral features include email marketing, notifications, upsell and down sales, etc. Furthermore, if you choose to subscribe to the high-end package Edison Suite, Clickfunnels empower you with the ability to create your own full-fledged affiliate program for your business. Click the link below for more updates. Where can you get the best Clickfunnels training? Once you have subscribed to Clickfunnels, get a 14-day free trial here. You will get access to various detailed video tutorials and guides to help you understand the features of this tool. If you really want to harness the full potential of Clickfunnels, then I will suggest you take the One Funnel Away Challenge. While there are other Clickfunnels training programs out there, this is straight from the horse's mouth, Russell Brunson. He shares with you the over-the-shoulder blueprint of every task you need to do over 30 days. Apart from that, you also get access to customer support and a members-only community forum where you can discuss your issues with fellow members and get answers to your queries. Another place to find Clickfunnels training is YouTube. There are literally hundreds of videos of 1 hour to 1.5 hours length that walks you through the steps to create a successful and conversion-optimized sales pages. Now obviously all these videos are available for free, and they do lack some crucial strategies and feature discussions. Click the link below this video for more updates. What is the One Funnel Away Challenge? Well, it's a 30 days challenge, or more of a boot camp, where you will learn 4 different strategies to create a successful and revenue-generating business in 30 days. These 4 marketing strategies are divided into 4 different modules, weeks, and you will be guided by no other than Russell Brunson, Julie Stoyan and Steven Larson, who, in case you forgot, are the creators and employees of Clickfunnels. From week 1, day 1, you will start learning something new, and by the end of this challenge, you will know the ins and outs of Clickfunnels, sales pages, internet marketing and the strategies to create a successful online business. The 4 different modules are as follows: offer hacking, storytelling, sales funnels, traffic generation. Apart from access to these 4 modules, you will get many more goodies like hard copy books, MP3 players, live coaching with Steven Larson and much more. Clickfunnels affiliate training. Is the OFA challenge good for Clickfunnels affiliate training? Yes. Being an affiliate is a business, and that is exactly what OFA will help you with. It will teach you the fundamentals of building a strong foundation, bonus offers and more for your customers. If I was to start over again as an affiliate, this is exactly where I would put my time and energy for the first 30 days. How can you make Clickfunnels work for you? As already discussed, Clickfunnels is a tool that helps you to automate the process of lead capturing, email marketing, and sales. But there are still a few things that you need to do for Clickfunnels to work the way it is intended to. You must have a product to sell. You, as a business, must have something to sell to your potential customers. If you are just starting into online business without actually having any idea of what service or product you will offer, then don't even waste your time and money on Clickfunnels. Storytelling. You already have a product in the service which you think people will love to purchase. You have designed multiple sales pages which you think are attractive and are conversion optimized. Your next step is to populate your sales pages with conversion optimized contents. Words that convey your message to your visitors in an emotional tone. You have to understand that the only way to make your visitors purchase your product is to connect with them and make them feel that your product can bring improvement in their financial or personal life. Traffic generation. The second most important component of any successful online business is targeted visitors. You can create as many sales pages as you want, but unless real people visit them, understands the product or offering you are offering and actually purchases your product or service, you won't make even a single penny. There are two different ways to generate targeted traffic, free and paid. With free methods, you don't need any investment, with the only requirement is patience. One of the best ways to generate free targeted traffic is search engine optimization. Google has a detailed webmaster guideline for website owners and marketers that will give you a head start in SEO. Do remember that SEO is a vast topic, and it includes on the page as well as of page optimization. Some other free techniques include social media promotion, video marketing, guest posting, etc. With the paid method, you need to make significant investment on multiple platforms to generate traffic. Now, you need to understand that there is no perfect platform to find converting visitors for your website. Your initial investment will mainly go into testing and trying advertisement platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Google Ads, Bing, banner advertisement, etc. There is a learning curve, but with proper information and guidance from professionals, you can succeed with paid traffic. One of the best ways to generate traffic for any fashion-related business is Instagram influencer marketing. In this technique, you basically contact influencers on Instagram and pay them to promote your product service to their followers. The same is possible with YouTube influencer marketing. You tried to contact channels with significant subscribers and audience page. Then you pay them a specific amount to promote your product or service on their channel. Clickfunnels Training Roundup. So I hope this Clickfunnels training article has given you some insight on what you should get. We suggest the One Funnel Away Challenge to get started. There are tons of people who have had success with that already. Click the link below this video for more updates. For a full breakdown on how a sales page works and what makes it successful, then make sure you check out Lead Funnels. If there are any other training programs we should check out, leave a comment below. Clickfunnels Training, what course should you take? Clickfunnels is a great online marketing tool that helps you to automate most of your funnel building tasks, but sometimes you need a good training program. Thanks for watching this video.